Hi friends, I'm on the road again and today I'm in Portland, Oregon. Let's learn a lot, let's have some fun. It's gonna be great. I'm tired too. I've made it to my room for the day. Bathroom, standard. It's a pretty small room, but that's okay. And a view of a rooftop. So not the best view, but a decent room for when I'll be in here. Let's get this party started, y'all. I have ventured out and found a variety of food trucks in this nice area with birds and waterfalls and people. I think I want to try maybe some sushi. Got some kind of deep fried something. Burrito, deep fried burrito. Looks interesting. It's pretty good. It has spicy tuna, crab, shrimp. It's alright. And I have to say, this ginger sauce, it is so good. I've eaten one, and I'm about to start on the next one. This is really, really good, actually. I'm on a city tour with Peaks Tours and Transit. And our first stop is to the Pittock Mansion. We're not going to go in, but we're going to check out the gift shop. Nice things. Oh, and roses are big here. They have a rose festival like they have in Orangeburg. I've never seen a magnetic puzzle. These are big hydrangeas. Brittany, look. Look at that huge sunflower. Maybe I'll get a close-up later.
You want me to shoot? Plus, these are the folks, they couldn't afford to live in town, so they have
huge.
To live way up here, you know. Yeah. And you see the building, it's like a big chevron.
That's how it looks on the inside.
But here you can get a sense of the evolution from this wonderful place for another light to eat.
Oh, nice view of the city from the mansion. The grounds here are beautiful.
Every year I'll see something I've never noticed.
People volunteer to keep up the grounds. We've made it to Washington Park, and there are over 10,000 roses. This makes me really, really, really want to get my rose bush. Look at there. White roses, pink roses, orange roses, red roses, yellow roses. That's a pretty one too. We've even got a royal rosarian. He's our official greeter. Hi. And I've never seen a purple rose. There's even more down there. This has to be like the world's largest rose garden. And it's kind of crazy that the roses have names. Strike it rich. About face. Preference. That's pretty. Made it to the gift shop. And it smells like rose in here. All kind of stuff. Oh, oil, soap.
Pacific Northwest, so they spray wax on it. And so if birds land on her, it's like, whoa, she's slippery. If they do their bird business, it kind of wipes off.
Had a great tour. Now I'm trying to find food, so I'm going to try the Midtown Beer Garden. I don't know if I'm going to eat here, but I at least want to see what's going on. There's a Mexican truck. Pizza and pasta. Gyros, lamb, wraps, shawarma, coffee. I smell some french fries that smell really good. This one's huge. All different ones. I saw that food pod on the way to another food pod. I might have to check that out another day. But I think today I'm going to try the one on 2nd Street. It's called Pine Street Food Pod. Let's see what we can find in there. Here we go, the Pine Street Market. Ramen and chicken is what I got my eye on. This place smells really good with ice cream and smoothies. We got a donut shop that looks really good. Churro donut. We got some Shanghai dumplings, etc. And more. I decided to get some ramen and some fried chicken. This chicken is bussin'. Dip it in that curry sauce. That curry sauce is so good. Right there. My goodness. That was so good. Now I'm so full. And now it's time to go to bed because I have a long day ahead of me tomorrow. Oh, I got that from that place. Really good. Good morning, beautiful people. I'm about to go back to that beer garden for my lunch. Hi. Go to the beer garden for the lunch. And I want to get something so tasty. I'm going to show y'all what it is. I'm here. So many places to choose from. All these options. I decided to go with the lamb shawarma rolls with fries. Looks good. I'm now going to check out Powell's Books. It's a famous bookstore. It's supposed to be huge. Silly blocks. Oh, it's way down there. All that is Powell's. All right. Let's see. Read with pride. Powell's Books. Larcy, this is what I was telling you about. I think you would like it. I wonder if they have Don Staley's book in here. What y'all think? They have different staff pick books, Creative Minds, Proof of Life is a summer edition, bestseller. They even have featured used books. Start with Why. They have seating areas in here too, a coffee shop. There's another area down here. This place is huge. I see Brittany Griner's book. I see Caitlin Clark. I see Kobe. But I still do not see Uncommon Favor by Don Staley. I think I'm going to have to ask. I found it. So they better have Don book in here. I see Asia book too. So that's good. It's food time. I'm gonna try the yakisoba with some bulgogi. Magic. It's tour time. With around Portland tours, and I think this is our van. We're gonna see some great waterfalls, a gorge, and some stuff. Mount Hood.
Kind of like working their way into the bark and breaking that down into like a usable soil for themselves. And when this tree is fully grown, which it's not yet, but when it is, it's gonna sprout little roots out of its trunk. Hazelnuts when they're not on the trees. I'm not from here, so I don't really get it, but anyway, we call that like leafy thing around the hazelnut the skirt, and when the skirt starts to pull away more, that's when they're ready to harvest.
We are hiking to the first waterfall. You can hear it too. You can see something like through there a little bit. And there's like, I think I seen those on pictures. They're on pictures. So the waterfall comes here from Mount Hood. And the weather is so beautiful. Beautiful scenery, beautiful weather, peaceful sounds. This is it. I think we've made it. Look. Wow. It's crazy. It's fabulous.
What's that?
I decided to come down to the bottom and it's so misty. It's so misty, but it's cool. Wow, look at him. Oh! Woohoo! He did it! Bruh. So that was the La Tourelle Falls. First one down, many more to go. They even have a waterfall trolley, hop on, hop off up here. Our next waterfall is Shepherd's Dell. Wow. I don't think we're going down there. It might be just a look off.
Joseph Shepherd's cows would drink from the stream. That's where this waterfall got its name.
We're actually going down for real.
So you don't want to touch it, but as long as you don't touch it, it can't really hurt you. And this is the only place it is on the path. There is some other.
Right, going down to the Shepherd's Dell. Ooh. I'll be back. Another nice view of the bridge. And here's Shepherd's Dell. I want to go skiing down there. Oh, sorry. That's better. Oh, somebody help me back up there. Help me. Next up is Bridal Veil. Bridal Veil. Let's go. It's a beautiful gorge view.
West onto the ocean. That's actually, unfortunately, the sound of the highway.
Got some blackberries out here.
Yeah. Oh, it's got a little bit of tart.
And stop their seeds from, like,
Got one.
even more.
I'm scared. I've never eaten anything wild before. Please don't die. Ooh. That's tart. When you see water, that usually means you're getting close. Somewhere around. There it is. Let's get a little closer. These steps be killing me. Oh, they're all for that. That's nice. Put down there taking a dip. I bet you it's nice and cool. The weather's gorgeous too. And our last waterfall today is the Multnomah Fall. It's supposed to be like the Disney World of Falls because they have shops and everything, restaurants, gift shops, ice cream and everything here. There it is right there. It is humongous. Let's get a look closer. And it is the tallest waterfall in Oregon. Next, I'm going to go up to the bridge. Let's go. And the good thing is it's only 0.2 miles. Not bad. Made it. One piece. It's pretty crowded. But let's see, you have to be patient to get a good shot. All right, it's the best I can do right here. See the water like falling down and then like hitting the rock. I want the wind makes it go like that. This is the other side. You can see it falling down there. There's a nice gift shop out here. I already went in and bought me a magnet. Y'all know I love socks, but I'm not gonna get any. But what I did get is this magnet. I like that one too. Apparently this may be a restaurant and lounge, and you know, you got to be curious and check it out. We got a special room here, and oh, one thing, where I was 620 feet. But that was a nice excursion. My time in the Columbia Gorge is done. I saw five waterfalls. Just awesome views. Nice. Now time for more adventures later. Thank you, Gorge. Walking back from the tour, the Willette River. It's beautiful. You can see the city right there. Nice walk lanes across the bridge for pedestrians. Very nice. Dinner tonight is Dan and Lewis. Starting off with some Parmesan oysters. And for dinner, prawns and French fries. I kept it very simple tonight. Very simple. It's a cute alleyway. Different restaurants. Let's see. Yeah, it's nice. I've seen a lot of these Voodoo Donuts, but I don't know. Should I try? I'll go ahead and try one. I saw original glaze. No, old-fashioned glaze. Old-fashioned. I like old-fashioned donuts. I guess I'll go ahead and try that. Yeah, you only live once, right? Wow, look at that. That is huge. I'm going to get the glazed old-fashioned. There you go. There you go. I've made it to Haystack Rock. Maybe I'll see some puffins, etc. Let's get closer. Here we are. Yes, isn't that pretty? Look at the needles over there chilling. The Haystack Rock. I forgot to mention this is Cannon Beach. So the Haystack Rock is at Cannon Beach. Supposedly it's supposed to be some awesome tide pools. They got some cool stuff. I need to hustle over and see. It's chilly out here, so I know this water is like extra cold. But these are the tide pools, I'm guessing. I guess they don't want humans to go beyond here. There are some things. It smells kind of fishy. I don't know what those are though. The tide is coming in really, really fast, and I cannot get caught with wet feet. But I saw something orange on a rock over there. We could have got out here maybe like an hour earlier. That'd have been great. So you can kind of see something purple right there. Until next time, Haystack Rock. It's been nice, but gotta go to something else. See something else. We found some elk. Elkies. Oh, there's a lot over there too. They're looking there at high alert. These are Roosevelt elk. Made it to Nia Connie.
Sterling, Andrea, if you don't have burger, so good.
Beautiful cove.
I know, isn't it?
So peaceful.
All right, you're like,
And that's where we are, Nia Connie.
Have you got your camera on?
I like the wildflowers. We made it to downtown Cannon Beach, and I am going to get some seafood at Ecola Seafood. Look at all kind of stuff already out. Salmon nuggets, smoked mussels. I decided to look around a little bit more first before getting this seafood. I don't know if I want that or not. Let's see what else is around. He told us about the crepes, a fireside cafe. Let's check out their menu. Nothing is really tickling my fancy here. Let's carry on. It's a really cute downtown. I love those beautiful hydrangeas. They're like a pretty pink, dark pink. I've never seen that color before. And they got wildflowers out here. They look like roses. Some wildflowers out here too. Made it down to the beach. I decided to get the captain's platter that has cod, salmon, oysters, prawn, and scallops. I think this first thing is salmon. Never had fried salmon. It's a tasty oyster. It's really good. The shrimp is really big. You see the steam is just coming from it. It is so hot. This looks like a scallop. Yep. I believe this has to be cod. And after that, I've been tried everything. Our next stop is Indian Beach. Got a driftwood. Oh, look at that. Let me zoom in for you. There we go. Going up a trail to get a better viewpoint. It's an interesting little skinny little path here. Gotta be careful. There we go, we made it. I'm going even higher. You see it's set. I'm like in the middle of like bushes. And it's like me in the world. Me in the world. Look, y'all, I'm still going. I just don't want poisonous in here to get me. Okay, I think this might be, look at this. This is what I like. This is the kind of hiking I like. And the weather is great. This is it. I just don't want to see a mountain lion. All right, I made it to the bench, to the top. Wow, this is amazing. Ooh-wee. This is a really rocky beach, but it's beautiful. Ooh. Twist an ankle out here if you ain't careful. I didn't mention we in Ecola State Park. They go to Haystack Rock from earlier. And let's see what our tour guide got to tell us over here. And there's terrible Tilly out there. It's a story about a
And
lighthouse.
that rock you saw at Indian Beach with the arch, that's that rock right there. If you all saw it with the hole in it,
Yeah,
that's
I see
it.
now.
That's Sea Lion Arch Rock.
Sea Lion Arch Rock. I'd like to thank you all for spending the day with me on the Oregon coast. I had a great time and I hope you did too. Back in Portland, had a sweet tooth. So got some salted caramel from Little River. That looks good, doesn't it? I'm leaving Portland with a bang. Get my Voodoo Donuts and I'm out of here. Back to South Carolina. I got a buttermilk bar and a glazed old fashioned. Portland, that's all.